content creators, we are constantly trying to find resources that will help us enhance our content and also cut down on our editing time. Well, I found this website that has done just that, and we'll talk about that right after this. How's it going, everybody? Anthony Corns here, bringing you another Vlogmas Day 5 video. We're on Day 5. We're just getting into it. Haven't even hit the wave, if you will. So today we're talking about content creation. So, editing and producing videos requires a lot of time. I know it took me almost 2 hours to get that solid edit for my last video. It shouldn't take me longer for my next videos because I finally found a system and flow of how I want my videos to go. So I'm going to show you what I found and some resources that could possibly help you do some better edits and save you some time with your video edits. So I found this website and it's called Mixkit. So Mixkit is a free website that gives you free stock footage, it gives you free sound effects, free video templates, and free stock music. So that's critical because if you're doing videos on YouTube, or if you're doing any type of video content, it's great to have different elements to kind of take your productions to the next level, whether that be music or if that's stock footage. Finding stock footage is critical. And also can be difficult to find. Well, good quality stock footage can be good to find, but I found that using Mixkit, the videos and the images are high quality. The video templates that you get are very good. Matter of fact, I used one for the intro that you just saw, and everything came from Mixkit. And like I said before, it is free. So let's go take a look at their website. I'll show you some things that they have, and I'll show you how I brought these video templates into my project and quickly edited them and got them done and produced. All right, so we are over here at my desktop and we are looking at the website mixkit.co, and as you can see, a nice clean layout. You have different options. So you have your stock video here, you have your stock music, you have your sound effects, and you have your video templates. So if your stock footage, just like any ordinary other stock footage, only that you don't have to sign up for anything. You can pretty much download everything for free. There are some high def 1080p videos. I think I saw some 4K. Some other ones are only 720p, and it will direct you to download or it will direct you to go to another site in order to download the higher quality footage. But for the most part, everything that I've seen has been 1080p and great looking footage. It's hard to find a free stock footage that's actually worth using. Most stock footage that is free is usually, I'm gonna be honest, just garbage. So right now we're looking at some stock footage for nature. If I wanted to use, let's say, some stock footage for cameras or tech, so I'll search here, cameras. As you can see, this is one of the footage that I use for my intro. It's a great shuttered video there. There's some footage here of someone using a camera doing a vlog. There's another shot for my intro. And so yeah, it's a great some resources here. So if we go here, we can take a look and see music, and we can search for music. Let's say I want to do maybe hip hop. So hip hop tracks there. I'm not going to play any of these for you because I didn't use any of their music. I'm not really sure how it sounds, but it's there if you need to. There's sound effects. You got swooping sounds and some alarm sounds, retro game sounds. So a lot of different sounds if you want to just spice up your video content with some sound effects. But what I really liked about this website were the templates. So let's go back to the home page. And as you can see, they have this button here called video templates. And so what video templates is a complete package of intros, logos, lower thirds, video outros, YouTube outros, and YouTube cards and things that you can design and are pretty much pre-packaged for these different video editing platforms. So as you can see, you have Premiere Pro here, you have After Effects, excuse me, you have Final Cut Pro, and you have DaVinci Resolve. So what I did, I went in here to Premiere Pro version because that's what I used to edit, and I just found a intro, search intro, and then I looked to see, let's see, I think it's called Ink. There we go. This is the video that I used for my intro. So as you can see, it plays like this. And yes, so what you can do, you hit this button right here, download free template, and immediately that downloads. And that's pretty much how you use the website. And if you want to find some lower thirds, can't spell today, you search for lower thirds, still can't spell. Okay, and it'll bring up some lower thirds. It'll show you previews of each one. This is one that I used for my video, which you can find some other ones. There's one with the Instagram and one for Facebook, and some ones that come out the bottom. So there's a lot of different ones to choose from. And then let's say we wanted to find some specific ones for YouTube. So for YouTube, you have your subscribe buttons here. You have your channel name, intro or outro, whatever you want to use. Another subscribe button. Here is the outro or end screen one that I use for my video here. And so you can just see that there's a lot of different ones that you can choose from that will kind of enhance your YouTube videos and your channel. So like I said, all you have to do is simply just click on the one that you want and simply download it. And you want to make sure that, of course, you choose the right program that you're going to use to edit with. So these are the only 4 options that they have to select from, which is great because these are probably the major ones. And seeing DaVinci Resolve, that's absolutely great because DaVinci Resolve is a great program. I would love to learn how to edit in there. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on that soon. All right, so let's show you how easy and how quickly you can edit these templates with. So we're going to jump over to Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'll show you how to use this. All right, guys, so here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've already imported my project, and as you can see here, it is the opener. And I'm just going to show you just quickly how you can add just a couple different elements here. So on this side, we have different folders. We have our edit folder, we have our nested shots and nested titles, and then we have our final folder, which has our render sequence. The render sequence is how we can preview any edits that we do to the edit folder. So you have your nested title shots, and I'm just gonna try to play this by ear because I did it before, but I'll have to. Okay, so your nested shots are the shots that have your placeholder. Placeholders are where you want to put like your images or your stock footage. So we're going to just edit a nested shot 1 just for now. So over here I have my stock footage that I want to bring in. So I'll just bring and drag that over here. As you can see, I have the simple workout video. And so once that's put in there, we can just go back over to our render shot, and you can see that stock footage is there. Excuse me. All right, so that's one. Now we want to go and edit our title 1 shot that's under the nested titles. So shots are our stock footage or our backgrounds, and titles is where we edit the titles. So we want to click on here and edit, and we can name this, let's see, work out. Okay, so if we go back to render and we hit play, workout presents. And then how do we edit the presents? I'm guessing that will be under maybe nested shot 2. Let's see. Sorry, title shot 2. Let's see. Presents. Yes. So the first one was title 1 and the second one was title 2. So presents. So workout. Let's just say workout videos. Workout videos. Go back to our render tab. And bam, workout videos. So under, with just a few minutes, you can see that I can go ahead and edit simply the text, all the text in here, the video backgrounds and everything I want by simply going in, editing the title shots, and also adding stock footage or stock videos on top of the nested shots, which are basically placeholders for our footage. So that's basically how you go in and edit those. So let's say you want to use the end screens and the graphics for your YouTube channel. So we would want to go over to the graphics tab in Adobe Premiere, and you simply drag in the .mogrt file, which is a graphics template for Premiere Pro. You simply drag and drop that into this graphics area, and it will drop in. And as you can see, we have one right here. You simply drag and drop that into your timeline, and it will load in. All right, and after it's loaded in, you simply click on it, and you can pretty much go over here and to our edit tab over here and edit pretty much all of the different elements. So you can go here at the bottom right side here. You can change the subscribe text. You can change the follow me text here. You can change your at me text here. So I want to put at any horns. And so as you can see here at the top, that has changed. So yeah, as you can see, editing this is quick and easy. So I'm pretty sure there will be a similar sequence for editing in the other video editors, and it will save you a lot of time with your edits. I know it saved me a lot of time. So now I can just simply just drag and drop these in here, do what I need to do, and go on to the next video. All right, so that's Mixkit and how you can use it. Like I said, it's free. You know, some excellent resources on there that will save you a lot of time and headache when you're trying to do your video edits and produce your content. So hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, once again, reach out to me and I will answer them as best as I can. I will see you guys in the next video. Until tomorrow.